Hey guys, so I'm on the side of my house today, and if you're like me, you store your bike on the side of your house, or maybe you park it down the street or somewhere just it's really inconvenient to put a battery tender in, and maybe you don't ride it very often, like me, and your battery runs out. So I keep my bike back here, but I don't ride it that often. And it's always out of batteries, and I don't have a easy plug access. But today, I want to try to find a solution to that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try this device right here, and hopefully it'll give me an easy jump start whenever I need to get to my bike and it might be out of batteries. All right, so here's the AC mount car jump starter battery, and this battery is not just a jump starter, of course. That's a nice draw, is that it's also a USB charge pack. So if you need to charge your phone or your camera or something similar like that, this kind of has a dual purpose. So I want to check this out. Comes with a nice case. It looks cool. Okay, keep that in there. So here's the unit. It's a pretty good size. It's not too small. It's not too big. Has a battery, USB ports. There's an input and output. So it looks like the USB-C is the input and the regular USBs are output. So I wonder if this is also an output once it's charged. We'll test that out. Okay, and here is the car charging port if you need to jump your car. And for that, you'll need this. Okay, so that plugs into here. And that tells you you're ready to jump your car. Okay? Flashy lights. It's like warning. These prongs are live, so you don't want to touch these prongs together. So that's a pretty good warning. So there's a compass. I don't really need a compass and a flashlight. Don't really need the flashlight, but let's see to turn it on. Okay. So one click turns it on. Leave your finger on the button to turn on the flashlight. And then one click to change the modes. And then a long thing to turn it off. Okay, it's got 83%. So let's test it as a charger right now. Okay, let's first start with that USB in port. I want to see if the C port also charges or it's just an input. No, it's a charger also, so that's good. It says input, but it's input or charging, so that's good. The USB-A ports are both chargings, okay, for your output charging, not input charging. So this is an input or output charger for the USB-C. Okay, test out the USB-A ports. I'm sure they'll work fine. My iPhone. All right, so it's charging my cell phone, which is perfect. I knew it would. So that's fantastic. So as a USB charger, it works great, but we want to test it on my motorcycle. All right, so according to the manufacturer, this could jump up to a 10-liter diesel car. I don't have a 10-liter diesel engine to charge it up, but I do have a motorcycle that's low on batteries. All right, so we got that AC mount car jumper battery. Of course, it works on motorcycles too. If it works on a car, it should work on a motorcycle. Got my seat up, so there exposes my batteries. Again, if you plug this in, you got to make sure you don't touch the prongs together because they are live, and you want to make sure that it's not touching the bike, the ground, or anything like that. So what makes sense is that you plug these in first. And then plug it into this unit. There, that flashy light went away to green. So let's turn it on. And there you go. You can easily jump start your motorcycle. plug, and you're good to go. So this is a nice, easy thing to use. Instead of getting a big jumper cable for your bike, just carry around this. And of course, when you're not using it to jump your bike, it's a USB battery pack. So that's pretty cool, pretty convenient, seems to work pretty well.